Hello. Now we will play again. So let's get started.
Orange.
Orange. Let's find out what animal is in orange. Do you know what animal this is?
This is a cat.
Yes, this is a cat. Let's spin it again.
Blue.
Blue. Let's find out what is in blue. You definitely know what animal this is.
This is a dog.
Yes, this is a dog. Let's spin it again.
Red.
Okay, it's red now. Let's find out what is in red. Do you know what animal this is?
This is a duck.
Correct, this is a duck. Let's spin it again.
Purple.
Purple. Let's find out what is in purple.
Wow! See what we got.
Yes, I'm sure you know what animal this is.
Of course. I know. This is a cow.
Yes, this is a cow. Last two colors. Let's spin it again.
Yellow.
Okay, let's find out what is in yellow. Do you know what animal this is?
This is a rooster.
Yes, this is a rooster. Here are the last one.
Green.
Green. Let's find out what farm animals are in green. Do you know what animal this is?
This is a sheep.
Good job. This is a sheep. From the animals that we have seen and heard of, which animal did you know the sound of, and which one do you like the most? See you in the next video.